electric guitar builds with a flowing melody. Bass enters softly with light percussion. A rising energy grows with layered synths. At the edge of a winding trail, we move forward with no detail. Through the valleys where voices play, traces of time show us the way. The breeze carries us far and wide, guided by waves that never subside. Each turn reveals what lies ahead, a story alive where dreams are fed. We walk the boundless path we chose, where it leads only the heart knows. Together we rise above the haze, finding the strength through endless days. Across the plains where shadows fall, we hear the echoes of it all. The earth beneath holds every sound, a song of life that circles around. The winds carry us far and wide, a force unseen, our faithful guide. Each step we take brings us near to a place where all is clear. We walk the boundless path we chose, where it leads only the heart knows. Together we rise above the haze, finding the strength through endless days. As the trail grows faint and wide, we trust the pull that's deep inside. No fear remains, no past holds tight. We find our way beyond the night. As the trail grows faint and wide, we trust the pull that's deep inside. No fear remains, no past holds tight. We find our way beyond the night. Soft violin weaves a gentle tune, electric guitar echoes faintly, bass hums with a steady progression. We walk the boundless path we chose, where it leads only the heart knows. Together we rise above the haze, finding the strength through endless days. Boundless path under open skies, where the answer in us lies. Electric guitar fades with gentle chords, synths